On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat no connection. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps, click on Snapchat, click on storage. This is the internal storage data. Click on clear data right here. Go back, click on data usage. Go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it after that. If you are using the mobile data, just disable it and enable it. And the last thing you want to do now is very simple. Just click on storage right here. Click on this clear data right here and click on delete. After this, now you have to turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.